today. Today we have a quick flight to about 6 hours 25 hours. Okay, I think the quiet is really bad in UAE today, so I just need to warm up the crews of moderate turbulence during the flight. We expect this turbulence about 2 hours into the flight.
Thank you for your information. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to BE 3022. My name is Owen. I'm your person in charge of today's flight. About the turbulence, we will try to get the drink and meal service finished early. Then, by the way, we have a new crew member join us today. Can you please introduce yourself?
Good morning, I'm a new crew. This is my first flight. My name is Ooraya. My duty is YER. It's 9 to 5 with you.
Hello everyone, I'm Ratchadaphorn. I'll be sitting out 3 and my duty is in the backyard.
Alright. Can I just check that everyone has got their working position and responsibilities?
Yes, but I can't just check the flight time is.
It will be 6:25.
Okay, thank you the information.
What time we will start boarding?
9 o'clock.
Are there any special meal?
Are there 5 charged meals and 6 seafood meals?
Can I clarify the time of the first meal service?
At 1 hour 30 minutes after takeoff.
Alright, thank you.
Please do your best to taking care of special passengers. Let's go and have a nice flight.
Can I see your boarding pass, please? Can I see your boarding pass, please?
Oh, yes.
Hi. Where do you sleep?
I don't know my sis.
Please follow me.
Oh, you sit down? Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, as your safety is our concern, we will now demonstrate to you the safety features on this aircraft. We ask for your full attention to the cabin crew in front of you.
This your seat belt to fasten inside the metal tube into the wagon and tighten the belt by pulling on the. This is your seat belt to fasten inside the metal tube into the wagon and tighten the belt by pulling on the wagon strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. This is your seat belt to fasten inside the metal tube into the wagon and tighten the belt by pulling on the bucket strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap.
Should an oxygen mask like this automatically drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately put the mask firmly toward you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care.
Your life vest is under your seat. To use it, slip it over your head like this. Clip on the waistband and pull it tight at the axis. Before leaving the aircraft, pull the red tag to inflate your life vest. Your life vest has an oral tube to further inflation. The light comes to when in attack with water. And here is whistle the attack intention.
Evacuation slides are located or exits. Please note whether emergency exits on this aircraft are located. In the event of an emergency landing on weather, slide left are located at or exit, except exit B, except exit B.
During evaluation, leave your hand locked. If smoke is present, please keep roll and follow the path line to the nearest exit as indicated.
A copy of this safety information card is in your seat pocket. Please reading carefully.
As this is a non-smoking flight, please do not smoke throughout the flight. Smoking in the toilet will activate the smoking alarm. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the seatbelt sign has been switched off and you can move around the cabin. We shall be coming through the cabin with refreshment in a few minutes. Kindly look at the menu card in the pocket in front of you and have your order ready. Please, we would really appreciate it if you had access change for your purchase. Thank you and enjoy the flight.
Sorry to bother you. Can I have a glass of water? I have to take my medicine.
Yes, of course. We are coming to the cabin now and I will bring to you what are seat with.
One minute, thanks.
Excuse me, may I have your drink? And this is Buriram.
Okay. Good. Will you be serving the meal soon?
Well, then we drink first and then we will follow.
So it's about 1 hour.
Later earlier, I think so 10 o'clock now. So let's say about 10:50.
Good. Thank you. What would you like, beef or chicken Buriram? On your vegetarian option, the lasagna? Beef, please. Here we are. What would you like today? Okay, red bad, please. Okay. Is it a French? No, it's South African wine. It's nice. Would you try it? Yes, please. Enjoy your meal. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the duty-free sales will begin shortly. Please prepare your list of purchase. Check the shopping on board magazine in your seat pocket. All prices are in local currency and in US dollars, and you can pay by cash and by using the credit card. We accept most major credit cards, frequent flyer win points on our sale on board. There some excellent bargains and there are several items specially designed for our airline.
Excuse me.
Oh yes, madam, may I help you?
I asked for a blanket for half an hour and still gotten one.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I will bring it to you right away. We were so busy a moment ago that we may forgotten your order. I'm sorry again.
Thank you. Please hurry. I'm really cold.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has switched on the seatbelt sign. Please return immediately to your seat and fasten your seatbelts. Due to our turbulence, all in-flight service is suspended and will be resumed as soon as possible.
Can you bring your trolley bag to the galley as quickly as possible and get the someone away clean?
Yes, but don't people in Long 20 have not sit down yet?
What are the things you standing around? Okay, I will get with excuse me?
This lady being hurt. She breathing.
What happened?
The old locker will open
happened with the turbulence and laptop fell onto her head. I think she's...
Hello, you are alright? You hear me? Thank you for letting me know. I'm with you with my lady now, so please take your seat and strap in securely. Sir, I need some help. Get the first and keep immediately.
นับให้ด้วย
นับแล้ว
Okay. Owen, can you scroll my trolley for me, please? And Carter to inform him we have passenger with a head injury in zone D and that Lala is dealing with it.
Hello, how are you feeling, madam?
Oh, everything is just been black.
Do you have any plan?
I'm a bit dizzy, that's alright.
You have a massive brand on your head. How are you feeling?
Not too bad.
Would you like a glass of water?
That would be good.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You have got a small cut on your forehead. It doesn't look too serious, though. I'm going to clean up your wound and put a dressing over it. Do you have feel well enough to sit up?
I'm fine.
Here is my excuse, Karishi.
I'm alright. I was a bit dizzy, but I'm fine now. Thank you.
They are disturbing me and anyone around. If you can't do anything about it, you have to find me another seat. I refuse to sit here any longer.
Yes, I understand. I can hear how thirsty they are, and I'm sorry they are disturbing you. Have you ever spoken to them yourself?
Of course not. I don't think they have harmed me or anyone else.
Let me have a word with them. If this doesn't get better, then I try to find you another seat. Arthur, the plan is pitiful. How about that?
Well, that's okay. Thank you. That will be fine.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will shortly be landing at AAN Airport. The fasten seatbelt sign has been switched on. Please return your seat and ensure your hand baggage is safely secured in the overhead locker or under the seat in front of you. Please also make sure your table is folded away. Your seat back is upright with the armrest down and your seat belt is fastened. Passenger seat in our first and business class cabin. Please make sure that your footrest and video screen are back in their original position. If you have been using the in-seat power, we will shortly be switching it off, so please now unplug your laptop and store it in a safe place. Once again, may we remind you that cell phone must not be switched on until the seatbelt sign has been switched off after landing. We hope that you enjoy the in-flight entertainment during the flight. In preparation for landing, we will be switching the system off. It would greatly assist the flight attendant if you could have your used handset ready for collection as they pass through the cabin. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the captain and the entire crew, we will like to welcome you to United Arab Emirates, where the local time is 13:05. For your safety, please remind your seat with your seatbelt fastened, leaving all items of hand luggage safely stowed until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Before you leave the aircraft, please ensure that you have all your personal items and hand luggage with you. Please be careful when opening overhead locker, as items may fall out, causing injury. We would like to remind you that smoking is not permitted until you reach a designated smoking area outside the terminal building. We would also like to remind all passengers that mobile phones should not be switched on until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. As the captain told you, it is very cold outside, so I suggest you have your coats ready for when you get outside the terminal. We wish you a very pleasant stay hour or a safe journey if you are continuing your journey. We hope to see you again in the future. Thank you.
1 2 3
Thank you, everyone. Okay, so we have a short briefing today. As usual, we all tired. As you know, the flight was quite interesting. The passengers from the positive way, you all work extremely hard. That's good. To ensure the passenger safety and all, it's what good hearing from the passenger that say how much they enjoy to the flight. In the circumstance as they left the aircraft, and you should also work extremely hard. Thank you for the day.
Thanks, Captain. Yes, in general it was a good flight. However, our flight has 2 incidents, and we should talk about them now. In both cases, our teamwork was not the best. The first incident involved shutting down the mail service through the turbulence. The faster mail side counter, which means that's right. So what happened, Laila?
Yes, so good. I heard the passenger and crew to their disease at cosmetically, and I just assumed my crew would immediately help to secure the cabin and galley. However, I should have checked on my crew, Huma and Jutta, were dealing with a difficult passage, not realizing a same opportunity.
You should have told them to stop.
You're right. I should have communicated with my crew.
Okay, and what about the coffee pot Spanish?
Alright, we should act more only in future as a team to secure the cabin or galley. During the turbulence, one trolley was still in the cabin on overturned, or the coffee pot fell on the floor.
Okay, what can you do next time should a similar situation occur?
As soon as I hear the announcement, I will make assumptions. I will immediately communicate with my crew to ensure they heard the announcement and understood instruction. I will then make sure that or in flight, so that it halted until further notice is given by you or the captain. I will also make sure that the cabin and ferry is secured as quickly as possible.
Right. It's vital to check your crew have understood any communication via the PA system. So, valuable lesson learned today. Has anyone else got anything they like to say about the flight? Okay, then